talk about chain rule and when we should apply chain rule. Chain rule should be applied if we have two functions times each others here. And how do you know they are times each other? There is no any sign plus or minus sign here. If there is nothing here, it's multiplication as explained earlier. And how to differentiate this one, we apply chain rule. How to start this one, it's a very systematic approach here. Take the first function here and name it as u, for example here, which usually we call it as u. So this is the first assumption we are doing, and the second assumption, we look to the second function here and name it as v. So it's equal sign 7x, u equal x power 5. And then what you should do after name these functions, just differentiate these functions, new thing. So u equal x power 5, so differentiation of u equal 5x power 4. And if you wonder how we do this differentiation thing, that according to the basic principles of differentiation rules, if we have function like this, can be differentiated like this. This is the number in front of x, keep the number as it is. This is the power, so the number in front of x multiply the power and the original power, take away 1 to make your answer like this. So this is differentiation of u here. How about v? Again, v, we named sine 7x as a v. Then we need to differentiate v to become dv over dx equal 7 cos 7x. What we have done, we bring 7 here in front of the function and then turn it into cos, and we keep 7x as it is. And you don't have to memorize this, as this would be given in the exam. The differentiation of sine number times x would be number and then turn it into cos and keep ax as it is. So from this basics of differentiation, we can differentiate v equal 7x to differentiation 7 cos 7x. So now what we have done, quick recap, name the second function and differentiated it. Clear? And then afterward, then you are going to use chain rule equation here. This will be given in the exam, you don't have to memorize. It's differentiation of the original equation dy over dx equal u differentiation of v over dx plus v differentiation u with respect to the x. Now we have u, as you can see here, you have u, and then you replace u in the equation. You already have the differentiation of v over dx here, and then you replace it. You have v from the beginning equal sine 7x, you replace it here, and you have du over dx here, so you can then replace du over dx. So you have all data you need. What you should do here, just replace each letter with its function, just normal substitution here. After you substitute everything, you got your final answer. If you'd like to rearrange or make it nicer or clearer, you can do it, but anyway, this is the final answer which should be accepted. Thank you. If you have any questions, just contact me. Thank you.